Hello everyone, meteorologist Rachel Kay here on a gorgeous fall day in the DC area as we continue Seasons Week here on Outside the Classroom. And of course, this week is the week of the fall equinox. The fall equinox is the start of fall on the astronomical calendar. And that's the seasons based on the angle of the sun and the hours of daylight. I'm sure Ryan will talk about that plenty this week. So I want to tell you a little bit about the meteorological seasons because I am, of course, a meteorologist, and we break down the seasons a little bit differently. We break it down by month. It makes it a lot easier for things like record keeping, tracking averages, and it also lines up a little bit better socially. So for instance, we considered September 1st the start of fall. September, October, and November are the fall months. Then we have winter in December, January, February. March, April, May make up spring, and June, July, August are the summer months. Winter, I think, is a prime example of where this works best socially because we're not waiting until December 21st or 22nd to bring out the winter coats. We've probably seen snow by that point. The Christmas decorations are up. Regardless of how you break down the seasons, the southern hemisphere does see them in the opposite order because of the Earth's tilt. And so looking at the southern hemisphere, I want to mention that in Australia and New Zealand, they do officially use the meteorological seasons. So spring for them started on September 1st, and then fall for them will actually start on March 1st. So just kind of flip-flopped there and across the rest of the southern hemisphere as well. Some other countries have their completely own unique ways of determining the seasons. In Iceland, summer in particular is a national holiday, and it's celebrated pretty early in the year. It's, get this, the first Thursday in the year after April 18th. So the next first day of summer will be April 22nd, 2021. Sounds a little early, but for them it's based on temperature changes, the climate, and of course social impacts as well. And then another completely different way to look at the seasons, the Hindu calendar used in India actually has 6 seasons. Theirs is broken down into spring, summer, the monsoon season, autumn, pre-winter, and then winter. So the summer solstice actually lines up with the start of the monsoon season, and the winter solstice there does also line up with the Indian winter season. So many different ways to break down the start of seasons. Maybe fall for you started when the pumpkin spice latte was available. Maybe it started after Labor Day or when the kids went back to school, but either way, no denying that fall is here.